Good morning to all the dignitaries on the dais, faculty, and to all the gorgeous girls who have assembled today. You all are here to bid farewell to your seniors, to wish them good luck for the future. So I'll just present the annual report in a nutshell as to how the whole academic year 24-25 has gone through. The beginning of our academic year has been started by welcoming the first years. We had around 470 students on board, and we had this program beginning with the induction program being held on 19th July. And the greatest event for the whole year was the students has volunteered to organize a rally which was, to express solidarity to the resident doctor on 22nd August. That was a great initiative taken by the students and a wonderful program which was organized, and throughout the students have taken a rally of around 2 kilometers which had been really well organized, and nearly 800 plus students have participated in the rally. Then we have marked the beginning with Freshers' Day celebrations on September 14th. Throughout the academic year 24-25, it was very fruitful as we this year concentrated more on the academic front. So when we have started the programs, we'll just look at the gist of the programs held year-wise. Our programs for the Department of Life Sciences, they have, the creative brilliance unfolded during the collage making competition, inviting students to the creativity. There was a cancer awareness program conducted by the BB Cancer Hospital on 9th August. And our students have taken an initiative for the nutritional assessment program at Government School Malakpet, at 3 basic government schools where students were given counseling on their nutritional assessment. 26 September was a visit to CCMB by all the life sciences students. 26 September, Naurixia in nutritional assessment program for adolescent girls was organized. And we had a World Animal Day, which was celebrated on 3rd of October to create awareness on the wildlife conservation conducted by the Department of Zoology. The guest lecture was organized by the department for career advancement, how to appear for the PG set for the life sciences students, where Dr. Vikas Sharma, the Assistant Professor, Department of Biotechnology, University College of Science, Saifabad, Hyderabad, had taken the initiative to give an awareness program to all the girls, and it was on 28 Jan 2025. The greatest thing which was achieved by our students this year was the health camp which was organized. And this health camp was organized by the Department of Life Sciences on 31st Jan 2025, where, counseling on the nutritional assessment, on the hemoglobin, the sugar levels, blood pressure to all the faculty and students, which was done on nearly 365 plus people. And then we had the same program on request by Geetanjali School, where they have requested the Life Science Department to conduct the same program to their students, and nearly 350 plus students have participated in the event. Then we'll get to the Department of Arts. Then we'll get on to the Department of Arts. When talking about the Department of Arts, as I already said, this year being a focus on academics, we had the health camp where all the students, life sciences students, generally it is, after their degree getting into a job or when they're practically working on the job, they go with the training program, or then they test the blood group and the typing, grouping and typing. But this was a great opportunity for all the life sciences students to do it at the second year and the third year level itself. And to be frank, all the 365 samples they have done, all the grouping and typing were very correct, where some of the students have gone to the nearby hospital to check their blood grouping and typing, and again came to test whether students were diagnosing it the right. And to be really happy with it, all the 365 samples which have been done were accurate and absolutely correct. That was a great initiative taken by the Life Sciences Department. The same thing was seen even at the school, where in the Geetanjali school, nearly 350 students and parents have tested, and all were given the accurate record, including the hemoglobin test. We had suggested that this is the, your hemoglobin level. Please go and test it in the diagnostic center, where they found everything to be correct. So we have to see that the students have dedicatedly and passionately have conducted the health camp. Coming to our Department of Arts, the Department of Psychology, they have first, there was a visit to the government hospital, the mental care hospital at, Sanat Nagar, ESI, where the students have undergone the internship program for a week. And they have directly met the patients there. They have taken the case studies, and the same studies were presented in the college, stating exactly what the problem was and what was being done, or the treatment being done there. So each student has taken one patient as a case study and done successfully. Then Mind Matters were conducted on 19th, where the initiative was taken by the students, and it was an assessment of emotional quotient by our psychology department, in which 650 students participated. So this time we had 2 camps which were a major success in the college. One was by the Department of Life Sciences, one was by the Department of Psychology, where they conducted 650 students on various assessment tests, taking leadership, stress, right, on various parameters, confidence levels, and they guided them as to what is required and where were they up to. And all the participants were excited to know their mental health and the solutions provided by the psychology students. There was a mental health awareness program on 4th March, where a team of psychologists, which was led by Dr. Virender sir, analyzed the student psychology on the conditions individually and provided counseling in the campus. Nearly Dr. Virender, along with 16-member team, visited the campus. They have also done the assessment, and they have performed the assessment on 600 students, and have given a report to each of them individually, and wherever help was required, they have counseled all the students individually. This was again a major achievement by the students from the Department of Psychology. The team clarified doubts regarding several elements of psychology to students in their interactive session. And then we had the Women's Day celebrations, where, were very educated and informative. Apart from this, when we come to academics, talking about the Department of Management, they started with the industry visit to Parle-G, where the students were taken on the educational trip, which were aiming at the corporate world, aligning the corporate world to the academics. National Startup Day was celebrated where a significant event aimed at encouraging entrepreneurship and innovation in the country. This year's celebration was graced by the honorable presence of Mrs. Deekshita Sharda, the owner of Crafty Gifts Hub, a customer-centric gift-producing startup. Then we had the Batkama celebrations, apart from which, when we were talking about this year events, even we had gone with the Sports Day, which was celebrated on 11th Jan, and nearly 15 games, indoor and outdoor sports, were conducted, and nearly 350 plus students have participated in the event. As part of the Women's Day celebrations, this year we have taken an initiative where we would conduct all the programs aligning to our Women's Day. All this were concluded on a Women's Day. So the events were from various departments. Every department took the initiative to conduct the programs, starting with the Department of English, where the students of English department, they have conducted an essay writing competition, and the topic was Women and the Digital Age, Empowerment Through Technology. And here the participants explored how technology is transforming the lives of women by opening the doors to education, entrepreneurship, and advocacy. And then we had the students going with the elocution, and then a collage. The creative brilliance unfolded, where the students participated on 5th February, inviting students to express their creativity on the theme self-confidence and struggle for body positivity in women. I hope all the girls might have witnessed all the posters, the collage posters were even, put in the notice board, where everybody could see that students have come with a different mindset and angle, talking about the body positivity. And then we had the students even talking about the TED Talks, inspired by the TED Talks. The woman, that was a topic on women, with the reinforcement of the success of the woman, where the students were given an extraordinary extempore talk on the topic. And this event encouraged students as a medium to address the societal standards of women in the current days. Then, coming to the topic of Women's Day only, the Department of Life Sciences conducts skit, the Department of Commerce and Management's role play, the Department of IT has come for PowerPoint, the Department of Arts with short films. Nearly 130 prizes for academics and sports were presented by Mrs. Usha on Women's Day. Then coming to the regular celebrations which we have as a part of culture at Annie Besant were Batkama celebrations and the Pongal celebrations. As part of our Pongal celebrations this year, on January 6th, ENADU has conducted district-wise competitions to all the students. And we had college-wise event of Rangoli held on 6th January, where 3 participants who were selected have participated in the district level. And congratulations to our students, because we have bagged even 3rd prize at the district level in the Rangoli competition. As I said, this year being a fruitful year for academics, the best part which we had done this year was going with the add-on programs for all the final years. So the management had an initiative and had a vision that whoever is going out of the college, the final years, should go not only with academic degree, but also with one add-on certificate program. As part of this initiative, we had started the year with Bajaj BFSI program training for 90 days. Nearly 100 students from BCom and BBA have participated. And let me tell you that, there was a recent discussion by Bajaj where they have said throughout the program which they have conducted around 100 plus colleges in Hyderabad, we stand on the top front of all the colleges, because all the 100 students who have participated have got A+ in their CPFBI program. So that was, the recent thing, where they had a Zoom meeting and were talking to me on Saturday, addressing that all the students have successfully completed. The other colleges could do, but being 30 to 50%. But for us, the cent% students all scored A+. So we are above A+ and E. That's the greatest achievement by all the students. So we have the Bajaj BFSI program. Then we had Python program given to all the computer students. And that was also a certificate program where students have participated, and Python hand-on experience, real-time practice was done to the students. And then we had all the MPCS and BCS students. They were given Java full stack. This program was conducted, and yes, we do have another 15 to 20 hours program, which will be in the month of May, because this academic year being a very short semester, coming abruptly to an end at March only. So 10 days is left. Once we have the 10 days, we'll have the certificate program of Java also, followed by the placements of Java for the students. And then for MSCS, Math, Stats, Computers, Math, Stats, Data Science, that is for all the statistics students, we had conducted an hour program, which is also going on, and that would be completed in another 10 hours. That's a 10 hours program which is left. And then for all the life sciences students, we were just inquiring about what would be given best for the life sciences students. We had heard that if a life science students possess any advanced Excel program, they are the most demanded in the market. So when we have gone through, Naukri, Monster, Shine, Indeed, we could find that yes, this was indeed a correct program, whereas life sciences were given advanced Excel program. Life sciences and BA. Arts, both the students were given advanced Excel program, and this also would come again. We have a 10 hours program left, which would be conducted immediately after the exams to complete it. Apart from this, for life sciences students, the Life Sciences Sector Development Skill Council of Telangana has come forward to help our students in giving sectoral skill analysis for quality, microbiologist quality control and sterile manufacture operators. Where this program, we had a recent pool drive on 29th, where even they have come and they have given a talk to the students addressing them that this program would be done in the month of May once we complete our academics, our exams. Once the semester exams are done, we could get into it. Then we have, we started with admissions. We'll close the academic year by placements. So coming to our placements, till now, we have 200 plus offers for all the students. We have only 150 students who have opted for placements. But the offer letters till now in hand is 200 plus. And we have started this year by Bank of America giving 20 students, then Genpact with 18, VV5 Finance with 20, ICICI Prudential with 4, 24/7 with 3, TCS with 3, Biologics, that's for life sciences, with 12, ICICI Bank 25, SRS Staffing is 18, and then we have Connect Business Solutions 14. 14 will receive a placement, and 26 have one small interview with the HR, and then will be issued the offer letters. And then First Source 4, Optony Solutions 12. Then with the results, which I didn't announce to you all, even in the groups with regards to 29th March placements, it is, Tech Mahindra have selected 12, Crafts-Tech with 6, Camel Q with 5, holding 23 on that day, with LSSDC. They would be giving the offer letters with Dr. Bond in the month of May. And then, apart from this 200 offer letters, we have certain companies awaiting. Nearly on 28th of March, 48 students have visited Accenture, whereby the results are pending. We would get it. These offer letters or the information will be given to you all only after you write your exams. Because it's mandatory for these companies to announce the results only for graduates. So once you complete the exams, they will take the final round and issue the offer letter. So once you get the offer letter, it is a formality that you have to join. So this would be done only after you get your results. We have Deloitte, we have FactSet, we have ICICI Bank coming in the month of May. So these three are pending, along with Dr. Bond and Life Science Sector Skill Development. Deloitte is for both technical as well as for the commerce and management. Apart from all this, we have other companies also which are scheduled in the month of May and June. That is, once you write your exams, some more companies are ready, which will be done once you complete your exams. So this we would notify you all immediately after you complete your exams as to which companies could be there. So immediately after your exams, you don't be in a hurry to book your tickets and rush back to your villages. You can take time of 1 more month. See that you attend all the drives and see either you are, into placements or into further education. This is a dream of the management that every woman who is educated here is empowered either with a PG or with a job. So kindly, final years, don't be in a rush. We have n number of companies who are going to conduct the drive in the month of May and June, because we had to close this year abruptly. March 30th, where we had a very short semester, these companies are postponed to the month of May. So thank you all for giving this wonderful opportunity. I thank the management. You know, this is the second annual report which I've been presenting. And, we had a successful year. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing such an amazing analysis of this year.